Guys, right here, this is a Eufy X9 Pro, a revolution in vacuuming and mopping technology. This thing is really smart. It has AI technology. Of course, you got a clean tank and a dirty tank. But what's cool about this is that it has a mopping system that lifts up and down. When it lifts up, that way when it moves over carpet, it's not spreading your mopping dirty brushes around your carpet. And when it's actually mopping, it pushes down like you are on your hands and knees and mop. So it's very effective. And it's smart too because it knows to go back and clean a mop head before it continues mopping again. So it mops and vacuums at the same time, and it's smart just like a human being. When we are mopping our house, we go back and clean the mop head as we progressively mop the house, right? So very smart. This is awesome. This is a revolution in mopping and vacuuming technology. Of course, it got 5,500 Pascal suction. So not only is it a mopping robot vac, but it's a vacuum, a very powerful robot vac too. So I'm excited about this. This is the latest and greatest from Eufy. Eufy Clean X9 Pro. We got the power cord right here. Wow, that's a nice power cord, and it's a flat power cord that plugs right into the wall. This one is for other countries. The one we'll be using is this one right here. This one plugs into our normal outlet, and this one will plug into the docking station. That is also the cleaning station, and also where the vacuum will dock to charge itself. Dun, dun, dun. The Eufy X9 Pro. This is the robot right here. It is so cool. You have the brush right here that brushes and picks up stuff as it mops. You see right there? This is truly a hybrid vacuum mopping robot. You have this right here. It's designed for some wet surface, but still vacuum and clean up with this brush picking up the dirt. You got the laser navigation system right here, the AIC, because it works at night and it also sees and detects wires, shoes, objects, so it moves around it. It's got sensors all around. It's smart. This is a very clever robot vac right now. We got the pads right here, and the pads are wetted too. You can determine how wet the pads are, and you can determine how frequent it goes back to its docking station to clean the pads. And when it's done vacuuming and cleaning and mopping, it will go back and clean and heat itself to dry the mopping pads. That way, it reduces mildews, bacteria, and there's no odor because it keeps it nice and clean and heated so it dries. It's awesome. This is genius. Wow, this is cool. And don't forget, there's a lifting system that will actually push these mop heads down when it's in operation, and it pulls it up so there is a gap between the wheels and the mop head. That way, when it goes through carpet or when it's on its way back to clean the brushes, it's not spreading your dirt and nasty debris all over your floors. Genius! And it's a compact flat design, so it'll go underneath furniture and it'll navigate around things, and it looks really good too. This is a Eufy Clean X9 Pro. Sweet. Look at this right here. Boom, take this out. This is for shipping. Boom, take it out for shipping. What this is a bump indicator. So it goes when it bumps into walls, it knows to back up. It's smart because after it maps out your home, it remembers it. You can track the mapping it has in the apps. This is like the latest and greatest in technology. The Eufy Clean X9 Pro robot vacuum mopping and vacuum right here. This is the main unit right here. What else do we have in here? Let's go. We got a little bit extra right here. You got an extra filter over here. Boom, filter. Nice. This is an extra spare one. Boom. Oh wow, this is our station right here. Let's take out our station. X9 Pro station. Oh yeah. The X9 Pro right here from Eufy Clean. This is the unit right here. This is where the robot comes in, and you see right there, these are rough pads. So as it docks right here, it will push down on the surface and spin and really clean out the brushes every time it docks with water and with heat as it dries off too. Very smart. This is so advanced. This is a tank that has the water. So if you open up right here, boom, you got the clean water tank, you got the dirty water tank right there. Wow, it's a good capacity, so that means it will mop without you having to worry about it. In one tank clean, oh, that's so nice. Look how big that tank is. You can fill it up all the way to the max line right here. You can open up the water right here, fill it in right here. Nice. Boom, right there. The water inlet right there. And it slides in nicely. Sweet. Here's a dirty tank right there. It's even color coded, so you know this is a dirty tank. There we go. Open it up. Ew, dirty tank. But this one, I haven't used it yet. And there's a little indicator right there that knows when it's full. Sweet, it's smart. Can you mix up the tank? Nope, you can't mix it up because each tank right here, when you put the tank in, you see it has the drain right there. It fits right into here. It fits into the unit right here. This unit has these connection points that will fit right over here. This is the dirty tank, like that. Boom, nice. And this one right here is the clean tank. It has one connection port, goes right here, so you cannot mix up the tank. Easy, boom, and close up and you're good to go. Very smart. So now look at this unit here. This is where the Eufy Clean docking station is. This is where you plug in the power cord. So the power cord included is what you would plug right here. So this one will go in here, and that's how you power your unit. This one will take care of charging your X9 Pro as well. Super easy, plug it into the wall and you're good to go. That's the unit back here. The UV Clean auto cleaning station right here. This is the X9 Pro right here. Let's take a look at that filter real quick. The X9 Pro, when it goes back to clean itself, you see right here, this one will go inside and clean itself like that. Backs up and clean this stuff. Sweet. Let's put this down here for a second. Let's actually look at the robot that's gonna be moving around your home and cleaning your home. So down here, you got awesome sensors here, and over here. So these are sensors right there. You also got the carpet detection sensor. So it knows when it's ready to go onto carpet, and it's gonna retract its mopping head. This right here, you got some silicone material that will pick up dirt, debris, and also even if it gets wet, no problem, because it's designed to get wet, because this mopping pad can get wetted. You can control how wet these pads get. That's cool, right? Also right here, you can open up this and clean the brush really easy. That's your brush right there. Oh yeah, and there's a suction area right here that will suck up all the dirt and debris. So we're just opening up right here so you can see how all this mechanism works. So there we go. There's a brush over here. Boom. Can you put this in the wrong way? You can't, right? Because right here, this side goes over here, and that way you put it in the right way, it rolls the correct way to make sure that it cleans up efficiently. So put this back right there, correct way, done. Put this on top right here. Super easy to attach that, and this thing will snap into place just like this. Snap in place, boom, good to go. So that is the roller aspect. So here is the mopping pad. When it operates, it will expand up and down. So when you power it up, this thing has about 12 millimeters of travel, and it applies pressure onto the ground like a human being is scrubbing the ground. Genius. I don't see that with a lot of robot moppers. Other robot moppers, they just spread the dirt all around the house, and it doesn't know to put pressure, and it doesn't know to clean itself before it continues to clean the house. You need to clean the mopping pads as you're cleaning the house, because as humans we know that, but as robot, this is the first robot I've ever seen that knows how to clean the pads as it is cleaning the house. Genius. This is going to change everything about mopping robots. This is the Eufy X9 Pro. Boom, open this up. Look how nicely this is designed. It's so sweet. Right here, you can pull this out. Boom, you have a little handle. Look at it. And pull up. This is the dirt chamber right here. This is where it collects all the dirt. You have the filter right here, and to take out the dirt, pull out the filter. Oh, press right here. Boom. Press that. Pull out the filter. Boom, like that. Super easy. You have a filter here, or you have a mesh right here, and then you got a filter on top right here. This is so nicely designed. Eufy products are amazing in performance and in design too. Look at that right there. Look how clean it is. This is the X9 Pro vacuum right here, and this is awesome. So the whole setup, how does it work? So as a recap, this is the base station. This one has a clean water and a dirty water. It's gonna clean the brush as it works, and when it's done, it's gonna use hot air to clean and dry the brush, so that will avoid mildews and mold from building up and smelling. So this is Eufy Clean right here. Of course, we got the X9 Pro robot right here, and you see the mopping heads right here. When it goes back in its docking station, you got the rough surface right here where it's gonna push against and clean itself. This is really well thought out design. It's really cool. We're gonna let the robot go back in its home right here, so it's gonna dock right there, and we're gonna go ahead and charge this baby, and we're gonna test it out, and we'll let you know how it goes. That was a quick unboxing of the X9 Pro Eufy Clean system right here.